A sneeze rockets out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, faster than most cars tearing down the freeway. That's not just a breeze, it's a microscopic hurricane blasting from your face. In the split second it takes to watch you, thousands of tiny droplets explode into the air, launching invisible projectiles across a room. Each droplet can carry germs, traveling far beyond what your eyes can see, sometimes up to 26 feet away. Scientists have captured these sneeze bursts on high-speed cameras, revealing swirling clouds that linger in the air, suspended in slow motion like a grisly storm. What feels like a quick, harmless reflex is actually a superpowered, high-velocity launch. Next time you're about to sneeze, remember, you're unleashing a force more powerful than a speeding car, with a path as unpredictable as a gust of wind.